In today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can quickly view our desktop without minimizing or closing any of our apps. This can be useful if you've got a useful image saved as your desktop background, or if you just need to see what files you have saved there. Simply press and hold the Windows key and the comma key, and you can see your desktop there, and once both keys are released, then you will return to your Windows. It doesn't matter how many separate windows you have open. I could have this window open here in a smaller way and the bigger window maximized at the back. If I still press the Windows key and comma key, I'm going to be able to easily view my desktop. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.